All stakeholders involved should bear in mind that the country can't be kept at the stalemate for too long.
I-IFP ithi zonke inhlangano ezingaphakathi kwakahulumende webumbano azivumelane msinyana zingasolo zilindise isitshaba.
We still believe that going with the DA is a better option for our country.
I-SACP ithi yatsho bona ukwakha uhulumende webumbano ne-Democratic Alliance angeze kwaba nendima.
We've made it to the final. It's the first time we've done that.
But you know what? Nobody gave Glasgow Warriors a chance on Saturday.
Ulindwe ngamehlo abovu umdlalo wakusasa webhigiri yephasi i-ICC T20 phakathi kweProteas ne-India. Sizifunda ukusuka emzimkhulu wezokurhatsha ye-SABC e-Auckland Park siza kuwe zisatshisa ngesindebele. Lotshani sitshaba sekosi. Enye yenhlangano ezibasunguli bakahulumende webumbano i-IFP ithi iyathemba bona umengameli we-ANC nowe-DA nabahlangana namhlanje bazokufumana insombululo emirarweni ekhona eliya nokumenyezelwa kwekhabhinethi. Umengameli we-IFP uvele enkosini Hlabisa bekakhuluma nababekindaba endambama nje.
Umengameli we-IFP uvele enkosini Hlabisa uthi inhlangano le ithonyakile ngokuriyada kokumenyezelwa kwekhabhinethi entsha ngemva kwamakhetho.
The IFP is saying the engagement should reach the finality. All stakeholders involved should bear in mind that the country can't be kept at the stalemate for too long. We agree we shouldn't make quick decisions, but it is a little bit longer now. Other provinces are at work.
Uhlabisa uthi esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal bahlanganise isiqhema esinamandla esizoqinisekisa bona abantu besifundisa banikela izenzwela ngefanelo. Ihlangano le ithi bevele yazi bona ukubusa ngebumbano kuza nemigomo nemibandela kanti ngakela behlangothi bathabile ngemkhulumiswano ebekhona.
I-South African Communist Party uqinisekisile godi umbono wayo ukuthi ukusebenza ngokuhlanganyela kwe-ANC ne-DA angekhe kwazusisa abantu beSouth Africa. Ikomiti ephezulu ye-SACP ibambe umhlangano wayo wokuthoma wabalanga amathathu solo kwabanja amakhetho. Umhlangano wabo uzokucala hlangana imphumela yamakhetho kunye nobujamo bepolitiki yelizwe.
I-SACP ithi amala wayo aphi ngombana naku solo kusakhulunyiswana ngokuthoma uhulumende wokubusa ngebumbano solo kuyadosiswana phakathi we-DA ne-ANC akuvunyelwana ngenkhundla zekhabhinethi.
We still believe that going with the DA is a better option for our country. The society will have to reflect on this perhaps in the next election on how this has worked. They are not the forces that have the capacity to end poverty. They are not the forces that has the capacity to end inequalities and unemployment in our country. On the contrary, they represent the forces that create these realities that we face as a country.
uMapayila uthi ubefuna ngathana iANC isebenzisana neEFF kunye nezinye inhlangano ezincane ithoma uhulumende omutsha kodwa ke iANC yakhetha uhulumende ofaka uwoke.
Nonetheless, as the ANC is embarking on setting up government, is talking to everybody. And we have said we can't stop them from talking to anyone. So they're talking to everybody. We'll see how this framework comes together.
I-SACP ithi akube nokubekezelelana emkhulumiswaneni nokuqedelela ukwakha uhulumende webumbano ngoba ngathi sekuya ekupheleni kwemkhulumiswano.
Indaba eqeda ukuphela le ngiyo kanye esibuze ngayo. Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli.
Impela ayikho le ndaba ye-GNU inkunzi nengakhulu ugcwele isibani ukuthi mhlambe kufe ezinye inkunzi noma kufe isibani
enye nenye inhlangano inemgomo wayo. I-ANC nanoma ingaberekisana nenhlangano ezincane kodwana nazo zinemgomo azo.
Uhulumende we-DA ubona ngathi uzobela ilifa i-ANC uthatha njengepati ebhubhileyo yanga bangayikhupha bafake ipati ezincinci izinto zokwazi ukuhamba kakuhle.
Ya mkhathi kube i-ANC yasebenzisana nalezinye inhlangano ezincane yabo ku-EFF bengeke ibe khona yonke. Ngoba uma ubheka i-DA ifuna ukuthatha lelizwe bazama ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi basiphucele lelizwe sibeke le nhlupheko sasikuye apartheid.
Ukube mhlawumbe i-ANC yasebenzisa elinye iqembu lakhe i-EFF ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke ngabasi okulenkinga ngabe uhulumeni wethu manje umongameli useyibekile icabinet.
Into le iyafana ngoba ukuze sibe kulesimo namkha ihlangano ebusawu ibe kulesimo esikiso inhlangano lezi ezihlubuke ku-ANC angisho lokho bebakufuna bakubona kuyenzeka khona manje fanele sincengane ne-DA.
Umbononke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Sihlatshwe ngamandla abukhali isiqundo se-ANC sokuvumela uZizikodwa osolwa ngobukhohlakali bona afungiswe njengelunga leParlamente. Ukodwa uthokoze isikhundla sokuba nguNgqongqoshe wezemidlalo, ubukhwari namasiko ekuthomeni kwenyanga le ngemva kobana avele ngaphambi kwekhotho ngamacala obukhohlakali. Ukodwa ngelesibili ufungiswe njengelunga leParlamente okulethe imibuzo eminingi ngekambiso ye-ANC yokujamisa umuntu emsebenzini.
uZizikodwa ufungiswe njengelunga leParlamente ekuthomeni kwevikele. Lokhu kuphakamisa imibuzo ngomgomo we-ANC wokujamisa labo abamangelelweko bona khana usebenza kabanye nami. Ihlanganisela ama-union ikhosathu ebasebenzisana ne-ANC ithi isiqundwisi ngafuneka bona sithathulwe kuhle buholo phezulu. Kodwana usibepho we-ANC uMdumiseni Ntuli uthi mhlamunye igadangweli kufanele lihlathulule ngabaphezulu ehlanganweni le.
The ANC national official, the first ESG, the national spokesperson have been on various platforms articulating the reasons why, in the opinion of our leadership, it was not inconsistent with the position adopted by the organization to send competencies to Parliament.
Nakusenjalo uNtuli uthi iyaraga imikhulumiswano yombuso webumbano lokhu njengombana iParlamente ilinde ukumenyezelwa kweCabinet ukuze kuzokusungula amakomiti weParlamente aqale ukusebenza kwabongqongqoshe. iParlamente kunye ne-office kaMengameli baqinisekise ukuvulwa kweParlamente ngomhla ka-18 kuvela Bahlinze eCape Town City Hall.
As to when is that going to happen, is it tonight, tomorrow, next week, or whenever, I don't know. What we essentially find solace in, the comfort as the ANC detachment in Parliament, is the fact that now that he has set a date for the opening of Parliament, there's no doubt that therefore by that time he would have assembled a team of men and women who are going to help us to take the country to the next level.
Usibepho ANC uphawulile nangemfuno ze-DA.
I don't think that they are holding us at hostage, and look, it's in the nature of the ANC. When we have a particular view on the matter and you disagree with us, we think that we've got to exhaust the engagement. We've got to reach a point in which we're going to say, sure, we don't agree here, and therefore we may have to part ways.
Unobhala Zembelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi siyangekupheleni imikhulumiswano kahulumende webumbano.
There's high levels of inconsistency where you're finding that certain members, for instance, voluntarily step aside. You're looking at people like Mamuzandile Komete, former ministers William Kize, who has stepped aside, and a couple of other cadres within the ANC. But then you're finding that there are those who are listed in the Zondo Commission report, but for some reason they continue to perform their duties. And in fact, I think it was shocking to realize that even former ministers William Kize stepped aside from being the Minister of Health, but actually continued to be a member of Parliament. So there's high levels of hypocrisy that I think we are seeing within the ANC in terms of implementing the step-aside policy.
Bangaphezu kwamakhulu amahlanu nama-40 abasolwa ababotshelwe izenzo zobulelesi ezihlukahlukeneko bebavela nekhotho ekoteni yesine yomnyaka wemali ka-2023-2024. Abasolwa abamakhulu amahlanu nama-26 kuba bantu kuthi abama-21 zinkampani namaziko ahlukahlukeneko. Isikhulu sephiko labofokisi uLieutenant General Godfrey Libia uthi abasolwa abaningi babotshwe esifundeni seGauteng kulandele isifunda seTlhagwini Tjingalanga.
Abantu ababotshweko ngobuningi babotshwelwe izenzo zokukhwabanisa godu. Bamakhulu 224 ababotshweko ekufaka hlangana inkampani namaziko 21.
These arrests have targeted persons involved in the commission of national priority offences, including serious corruption, serious organized crime, serious commercial crime, fraud, money laundering, police killings, cash in transit robberies, illegal mining, damage to essential infrastructure.
Kanti malungana nendaba yephalaphala uLibya uthi kunabasola abavele ekhotho kodwa kusalindele ingcenye yephenyo elenziwa ngaphandle kweSouth Africa.
We are still working on the remaining 43 from the 76 suspects, some of whom were not identified during the initial Advocate Mutai's inquiry.
Olibya uthi zima-33 izehlakalo ezithendana nokubotshwa ekumalungana nebhanka ye-VPS kanti sebabathatha bathweswe icala. Uveze nokubana azi-2,297 amacala avuliweko kanti kuyaragwa nokuphenywa.
Kuyaraga ukuhlolelwa kwe-mpox emkhawulweni weLibombo neMzambikwe eKomatipoort eMpumalanga. Imphathimandla zemkhawulo zihlola imvakatshi ezingena ezweni leSouth Africa njengemizamo yokulinga ukukhandela ukurhatsheka kobulwele lobu. Kanti zizehlakalo zabantu abali-16 abathwayelekileko KwaZulu-Natal, eTjingalanga Kapa kunye neGauteng.
Kuhlolwa abantu abavakatshele endaweni zangaphandle. Leli lijimi elihlanganyelwe yi-Border Management Authority nabesiza elihabako ngomnqopho wokuvimba ukurhagala kobulwele lobu.
We use to screen elevated temperatures for travelers that are coming into the country. This is a tool that we've been using for over a decade. We have been using this during the World Cup and we're still using it now.
Isifunda sempumalanga sichidelene ekhulu neMozambique kunye neSwatini. Amakhulukhulu wemvakatshi ayokuhlola beqinisekiso ukuthi abakathwayeleki na emkhawuleni weLibombo Port neMozambique qobe lilanga.
I think it's a very good thing. That is to do precautions for people, test the people, and make sure it doesn't transfer monkeypox to other people.
Passport in South Africa lesifo angisathi ngiyacela ukuva ngisengasifo.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga usesekani Manzini uthi uyazithemba ukuthi isifundesi sikulungele ukulwisana nobulwele iMpox.
As a department we are ready for the Mpox and indeed we have gathered a lot of experience during COVID-19 in terms of how do we respond, and those teams in terms of tracking patients, in terms of training our healthcare workers, in terms of working with your NICD, your NHLS, in terms of making sure that the specimens are transported as and when there is a case that we are suspecting.
Kanti bekube nje azikho imvakatshi ezitholakele ezithwayelekile ngobulwele beMpox emasangweni womkhawulo weLibombo.
Asibuya entolo. Abanengi bamazela enkundleni zokuthintana ngamavideo ahlekisako. Usibonelo sokuthi ibhudango liyaphumelela. Siyanamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube, Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Zindaba zesiNdebele. Siyayivala namhlanje inyanga yabantu abatsha. Kanike sicala abantu abatsha abachugulula impilo bayenze sahlaya ngenkundla zokuthintana. Namhlanje sicala omunye umuntu omutsha osele azenzele igama enkundleni zokuthintana uChris Mahlangu. Abalandeli bakhe bamazi ngoMoyimoyi. uMoyimoyi uzakhele igama ngobuthakga bakhe obukhamba phambili bokulingisa abavumi bemhlobo le yonke ngengoma. uMoyimoyi unazo zonke izembatho zokulingisa abavumi. Ngitsho ukuthi wa ukuba udubhule kangangani kubudisi ukubamba inhleko nakavelako alingisa abavumi enkundleni zokuthintana. Udabuka emaplasini we-Arnold eMpumalanga utheleke ngenyama endlini zokurhatsha kwa-SABC wakhulumisana nombikindaba wethu uComfort Masombuka.
Amavideo afana nayo le ngamanye enzumo uyagcina sela ngisazwaka enkundleni zokuthintana bwazifumana selana abalandeli pheza abasigidi abaningi bazibuza bona uvelaphi umsobakita kamnanjana lo.
Umoy nguChris wakamahlangu njengoba besushilo ngisuka eArnold eMpumalanga. Ngi-upcoming content creator eyaziwako.
Munye umbuza abalandeli bakhe abambuza wona nakavele emavidweni qobe lilanga. Ivunulo le uyithatha phi ngoba nezembatho eziningi ngendlela erarako lapha ayuzithathe phi ezembatho ezi.
Imbatho engiziberegisayo vane ngiberegise imbatho zabantu abadala ngikhaya zakagogo zabomalume nezakamkhulu baromkhulu akasekho nje.
Umoya uthi ngasikhathi ngomthatha imini yonke ugadangisa icontent. Ugala Msibatsho ukwenza konke lokhu nje unebhudango lokuba mlingisi.
Into engifisa ukuthi ngibe ku-industry yoku-actor. Njengekhona leli engiliberegisayo uyakhona ukuxoxa istory through music, yakhona ukuxoxa istory through inthombe. So ngathabela khulu ukuzibona ngikubona kude.
Ngekhono lakhe lelingalinganisekiko ugcine selenyulwa nakabanye abonongorwana.
Kukhona la nginominatwe khona for i-best content creator. So nginominatwe ku-Mama Awards. So umuntu ofisa ukungivotela nga-SMS umama 0563 2404 39.
Umoyi thokoza kaqede balandelini bakhe ngesekelo ukhuthaze nelutsho ukuthi lingaphuthi imkhono lindi imane ezakuvela emafini.
To i-youth ngaphandle ngithanda ukuthi ukuthi ayikho into engenzeki and iphupho lomuntu liyafezeka. So ukugive up akusi option. Thatha ikhono lakho uliberegise ukhona umuntu ozwalibona ngaphandle uphumelele.
Loyo nguChris Mahlangu ebesikhulumisana naye wazi wakhulu ngelika Moyi oyi-content creator njengoba uzwile-ke uwenyule nakamanye ama-award namkhabonongorwana. Kwangalesi sikhathi ngiyathokoza ngibuyela kuwe Mrungwa.
Ezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Ulindwe ngamehlo abovu umdlalo wakusasa wamafinali webhigiri yephasi i-ICC T20 phakathi kweProteas neIndia. Lo mdlalo uyokuthoma imzuzu na-30 ngemva kwe-hour lesine ngemva kwamadina eBridgetown eBarbados.
Anything. And I think that's also what we've really done well this World Cup is we've adapted really well. You know,
as an outsider looking into the games, kind of thinking, oh, you know, like 100, is that enough? Or
kanti kunabalandeli beProteas abasesewula Africa abe bajame magega nendlela baphaphisa amaflaga ngethemba lokuthi iProteas iyokubuya nebigiri le.
They haven't got over the last hurdle yet, and India is a huge one. But you know what? Nobody gave Glasgow Warriors a chance on Saturday, and they beat the Bulls. So maybe
is a historic milestone. We did it first last year with the ladies, and now it's the men. And we say, go Proteas.
What a time to be alive. It's very good for us, for cricket to South Africa, and we're looking forward to bringing it home.
Fans are excited, everyone's rooting, we're bringing the spirit, we're bringing the energy, and I hope that we actually do make an end and win this game.
It's the best day to be a South African. It's a historic moment. We've made it to the final. It's the first time we've done that, and we'll be behind the boys.
Akwande Masango silindele umdlalo omkhulu wakusasa wama-final we-T20 Cricket World Cup phakathi kwama-Proteas ne-India. Nina niphethe ziphi ngapho?
Ndabezitha asithokoze ithuba hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko ngezokunqonqila okukhona ukuthi uzizi kodwa ngemva kokuthi avela amahlandla amabili ekhotho kuba yini kungalandelwa umthetho wokuzibekela ngeqadi nange usebujameni obunjalo ufungisiwe eParliament ivekele uzizi kodwa. Sikhulumisana nomxhozuli wepolitiki uNtando Sindane ukuthi ukuba macalanga kangaka kwenhlangano ezingene embusweni webumbano lesitshaba nokuthi umoya ovunguzako enarheni njengomkhulumiswano isaragela phambili yokuhloma kwekhabineti khani bazawubasa uvuthwe na zithi zingasetshenziswa ekungasizo zekhabo zigodukiswe-ke nathi sigodukiswa indambo sizibuyisele ekhabo etafuleni lendaba zelimi lesindebele kumabonakude ku-SABC 1.
Sanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha iphela veke ayibenge phephileko iukhobongi.